good.
It's really satisfying. Last year, I had this leg pain like at the back, so I started to sleep very uncomfortable. After that, I went to the traditional massage. It was okay for a while, and then I started to realize that whenever I sit down too long, then I have this shooting pain at my thighs, and I had this neck pain. This neck pain started to disturb my whole right side. And then recently, I realized that my two last fingers and this side, I feel numb. Actually understand each and everything. I've never had a chance to tell my symptoms, and then when I tell all my symptoms and you seem to know what is the problem, what is this, and you explain one by one.